Welcome back, YouTubers. Here we are again. Told you I'd come back and fill you in on the build. We're getting ready for October 13th. Got the subs in. Basically a full redesign. Found out we just didn't have enough. I think it's got enough power. I just don't know if it's, I think I got the knife stabbed in. I just don't know if I've got it twisted yet. So got a hold of Sundown today. Ended up having to go through down for sound, and then they ended up setting it up to where I live here in North Carolina. I just strolled on over and picked up one of these new SVC 4000s. Pretty dope. Really dope for those guys at Down for Sound. Thank you. Let me put a prop out to them. And then I also got some stuff in the mail from them today. Pretty fly ass shirt. Sorry about that. Basically says run your system, not your mouth. Those guys are pretty tough, man. I'm gonna have to meet them someday. Anyway, here's the new box up. SVC 4000. I'll be back with you in a minute, and hopefully you're gonna see it installed in the car. Thanks again for watching. Stay tuned.